Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be doing a DIY fall wreath, and this is the wreath that I'll be using. I bought this at Michael's for $24.99, and what I like about it is it does have the glitter because it is a part of their Christmas, so I will be using this for Christmas also. Alright, so I will not be using any glue. I don't need it, and the reason why I'm not using glue is because I do plan on using it for Christmas. So I'm just using some florals that I already had. These are florals from Michael's and some from Hobby Lobby. Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, count. Now this wreath is pretty strong and it is thick, so what you see me doing is putting the stems in between the twine. I guess you would call that twine. I don't know, y'all, but that's what's holding my florals in place, and it does keep a pretty strong hold. So if you do purchase this wreath, which I highly suggest, then this is all you will have to do. And if you want to change them out for different seasons, all you have to do is just pull out the florals. Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel. Now, like I mentioned before, this is a pretty strong wreath, so you do have to kind of like force the floral stems in there, and that's what I'm doing. So you just have to wiggle it just a little bit and it will go in there, and then cut some if you need to. Now with this wreath, you really don't have to do much, and I'm not going to cover the entire thing, so I'm only going to do half florals, and then the other half I'm just going to leave it like it is because it does have a beautiful pattern and I don't want to cover it up. And I'm almost finished, and I'm loving the way it's looking so far. I just have to add in a few more pieces and then we'll get an overall look. Now I'm going to add 2 pumpkin picks. These are from Hobby Lobby. And these are some leftover leaves that I took off a few of my florals that I had. So I'm just going to add those. And I never throw away my leaves when I use my florals and I take them off. I never throw them away. I always keep them stored in a bag because you never know, you can use them for any of your floral arrangements and also your wreaths. And here's the overall look. It turned out really pretty. I love it. And I'm going to keep it right here in my kitchen over top of my refrigerator. And I will be doing a kitchen fall decorate with me. So y'all stay tuned for that.